Today I'll show you how I'm actually using Atlas, ChatGPT's new browser, to build a real world automation inside n8n. Okay, so let's jump into the build. Now the automation we're gonna build will be reading the Gmail inbox for the previous day. It's gonna create a summary and then we're gonna send a notification. So let's go to n8n. If you don't already have an account, click the link in the description below and then click on get started. You'll get the 15-day trial. Then after you create an account, press right here on create workflow. Then we'll be using ChatGPT for the entire build. So press here on Ask ChatGPT. It will open the side view. Now, as you can see right here, it has context of the tab you have opened, so let's start asking it. Build an automation that reads my Gmail for the previous day. Create a summary and send me a notification. Give me the step-by-step build. Let's go on ahead and send it. It will see that you're already in n8n and it will take context from this. Okay, so it responded with what I have to build. So for the prerequisites, we'll need the credentials for Google, Gmail, then credentials for OpenAI, then I will need to pick a notifier. And I think we'll go with email because it's simple. Then we're gonna have the nodes. The first one should be a cron that runs daily. Then a function, build yesterday date filters. Then we're gonna list the Gmail messages for yesterday. We'll handle the no emails yesterday, chunk for detailed fetch, get full message for each ID, normalize it, and then group and compress the summaries. I don't think we're gonna do this. Then with an OpenAI chat, we're gonna create a summary, and we are gonna notify through one of these options, and we're gonna go for Gmail. Now let's see how this agent mode works. Build the automation for me. Now it's starting to click around instead of me. It clicked on the add first step. It's searching for the schedule trigger node. This works great so far. It's trying to find data M, but it's not finding it. Okay, it just did. Then it clicked out of the tab. This works great so far. Now it's adding a second node. It's gonna use search code node. It chose JavaScript. Great. I can just take my hands from the keyboard. It just added a code in which it calculates the date period. Now it's adding another node. It's searching for a Gmail node. Okay, that's great. Now it's choosing the get many messages node. This is crazy, guys. Now it's clicking on credential to connect with. It's gonna select create new credential because it's the only one. Okay, so it stopped here. Now I can ask it to continue, but let's try and build the rest ourselves with the context we get from the chat. So we're gonna click on create new credential and see what we have here. Auth2 recommended, sign in with Google. We're gonna press on it. It's gonna redirect us to choose our account. Then we're gonna click on continue. Connection successfully. Great. We're gonna close this window, then this one. Now we don't know what to do, right? So let's go back to the guide it gave us. We're gonna add a limit for 50. We're gonna add a filter received after, and we're gonna press right here on execute previous nodes, and we have the previous day right here. Okay, now we're gonna set the receive after start, and then we're gonna add a new filter received before end, and we're gonna press on execute step. No output data recorded, so maybe this isn't the format. Let's go back to ChatGPT and ask it what's not working here. Oh, so it's only calculating the dates, not the times. So we're gonna modify our code node. It already gave us the fix, so I'm just gonna copy it, go back to the code node, paste it right here. We're gonna execute the step. Great, it gave me the start as 27th, yesterday the start of day, and it gave me the end as 28th, the start of the day. Okay, we're gonna go back and get many messages, execute step. Okay, and we got the messages for yesterday. Great, 25 items, that's a lot. Now I don't remember what node we need next. What node do I need next? Let's also give it a name. Let's name it email summarizer, and it's saved. Great. Okay, we need an OpenAI node. Let's go on ahead and search right here for OpenAI. And which type? I know it's message model, but see if it gave us this option. Chat model. Okay, it's a bit different, but it's this one right here. Then we're gonna need an OpenAI account. I already have one, but now let's assume that I don't. So I'm gonna ask it, Where do I get the OpenAI key from? And meanwhile, while it answers, we're just gonna copy the prompt it gave right here. We have a system prompt, so we're gonna need to add a message here and select system, and then paste this. You're an assistant that summarizes emails into a daily digest. Group emails by topic or sender. Highlight key points, decisions, and action items. This is great. Then the user message, we're gonna copy this and put it right here in prompt. Okay, it doesn't work properly because it says here object object. You need to stringify this, so we're gonna have a problem with this also. Go to platform OpenAI, log in using your OpenAI account, click plus create new secret key. Okay, let's follow this exactly. I'm gonna press on the link, I'm gonna open it in a new tab. I'm already logged in and it redirected me directly to API keys. So I'm gonna press on create new secret key as it told me. I'm gonna give it a name, test, create secret key. And this is gonna be the key I'll be using in my OpenAI account. I'm just gonna copy it by clicking here. Then I'm gonna paste it right here in OpenAI account. Save. As you can see, the connection tested successfully. I'm gonna press on retry so you can see it. Again, tested successfully. Then we're gonna see what's not working. Let's tell it the prompt result look like this. No, we don't even need to. The prompt result looks wrong. We are sending object instead of the actual emails. Okay, now we're gonna wait for it and see what it says. Okay, so it told us replace this with this. Just JSON stringify JSON. Okay. Okay, and we have all the data from the emails. Do we only have one email? Because we have 25 items here. Wait, but I don't want to run the OpenAI node for each one of those emails. I only need to run once for all of them. In the meanwhile, we're gonna go back to the OpenAI node, we're gonna select a model, we're gonna use the mini version because it's less expensive. For O mini, I think it's called. We're gonna select it. Then insert a code node between Gmail and OpenAI. Can I do it without code? Yes, you can absolutely do this without a code node. Use option 1. Use item lists, combine items. So let's go right here and search for combine items. Combine, I just found something called aggregate. I'm gonna press on it. What field name should I put here? Perfect question, so you're close to the correct setup, I know. Put this value there. Emails. Let's try and execute a step. Nothing. The field emails was not found. Let's go back to agent. It didn't work. Fix it. Now we're gonna wait for it, it's getting started again. Okay, so it didn't actually work for us. It gave us right here in the chat how to fix it. So edit aggregate node, change aggregate from individual fields to all item data. Okay, interesting. Okay, I haven't seen this. So we're gonna press on execute and it just merged them. Great. And as we can see right here, from 25 items, we are left with just one, which is a combination of all of them. Now we're gonna go back to messaging model and we're gonna look right here how it parses the data. Okay, it's as an array right now and we have all the emails. Let's press on execute step. It might take a few seconds because it's working on a large set of data. Let's look in the schema. So it gave us a content. Okay, so it's pretty long. It shows here 3 dots because it couldn't finish it because it's a bit too long. But we'll be sending it in the email. Now, what do we need to do next? Okay, what do I need to do next? Perfect, your workflow structure is spot on. I don't like this part of ChatGPT. Okay, add this user message, great. Step 3, OpenAI node settings, we already did this. Execute test run. Okay, if you want to send that summary automatically, add a Gmail send email node or Telegram Slack. Let's search for Gmail again. Send a message, I think it's this one. Then we have the Gmail account pre-selected here because we have a previous node in which we used it. We're gonna put our address here. The subject is gonna be daily digest and we're also gonna use the previous day in the name because it will look better. So we're gonna drag and drop the start from here. It's gonna look a bit ugly because it has this weird format, but it's okay. Then we're gonna select the email type. Now, what do I do? Fix the to field optional cleanup. No, so okay, I added this wrongly, so thank you for noticing that. We're just gonna leave the email here. In the subject, we're gonna paste this day thing. We're gonna select expression, and then we're gonna have daily digest for the day. This was a great catch. Then we need to send the message body. Scroll to message, switch to expression mode. Okay, I'm gonna just press right here on copy code. We're gonna paste it. Okay, hope it looks good. Great. Now we're gonna press on execute step. Node executed successfully. I don't believe that it's this easy. Okay, now check my phone. I just received this notification right here. Now we're gonna save the workflow, and then we're gonna tell the AI open Gmail so I can see it worked. Okay, I can open your Gmail inbox in your browser so you can verify the summary email right. Would you like me to continue? Continue, please. We started the agent mode. How is it gonna work on my tabs? Okay, as you can see right now, I just received an email from me. Daily email digest. Okay, it looks awful. I don't understand anything from here. It looks awful. Go back to the n8n automation and make it look good. ChatGPT will only work while you view the tab. Oh, so if I go to another tab, then it's gonna stop working. Great. Okay, it got back to my automation. It's taking a while, so I'm not gonna lie, but it's only gonna improve from here. Okay, it's opened the message model node. It updated the system message to something I would like to see it, but I'm not able right now because it's working on my browser, so I can't press on anything. It pressed on execute previous nodes. That's crazy. Now what's it gonna do? Node executed successfully. Oh, it returned the HTML this time. It pressed again on execute. Why did it do that? I have no clue. Right here you see we have this HTML markdown and it's not gonna work with it. Great, now it returned an HTML. Now let's go on ahead and press on send a message and see what we get. Node executed successfully. Let's go to our Gmail because we are faster than the AI right now, and it looks better, much better. So it took us, I don't know, 10 minutes, 15 minutes to build this whole automation with the help of AI. It's crazy how far we've came. And we didn't have to write a single line of code. We didn't have to understand anything. Imagine where we're going with this. Now, it still has this markdown stuff. I'm just gonna fix it myself real fast. In the OpenAI node, in the system message, we're gonna expand it and then we're gonna tell it don't add any markdown. I'm gonna press on execute step. As you can see, it doesn't have the weird HTML thing right here up top. Now if we go to the next step, on send the message, we're gonna press on execute step. Great, it executed. We're gonna go to our inbox. As you can see, everything looks gorgeous. We can just press right here and activate it. This is very simple. Now every morning I'm gonna receive a summary of all the emails I received the previous day. That's just a small automation, but it's a glimpse of how it will work. Unfortunately, AI is replacing a lot of people, but the ones who adapt, the ones who learn how to work with it, will be the ones who stay ahead. Are you one of those people? Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out.